Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to take your home organization to the next level, or simply add a stylish personal touch to your storage jars, kitchen canisters, or school supplies, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through making your own custom DIY labels using Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to design, personalize, and duplicate labels that look polished and totally unique. No graphic design experience needed. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva.com. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's a user-friendly design tool that runs right in your browser, and it has a free version, so you don't need to download anything. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the purple Create a Design button at the top right. Give that a click. Now in the search bar, type the words label and hit enter. Canva will show you the right dimensions and templates that are perfect for label making, so you don't have to guess at what size will work. Choosing a template that's made for labels will make your life much easier when it comes to printing and cutting them out later. To create a label that really stands out, the border or the frame you use is super important. Think of it like a picture frame. It draws the eye in and makes whatever's inside look more polished. So hop over to the Elements tab on the left. This is where you'll find all sorts of graphics and shapes. In the search bar, type in border or frame. You'll see tons of options, from clean, modern lines to more ornate floral borders. Choose one that fits your style or the vibe of the space where you'll be sticking the label. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it until it looks just right. Don't worry if it takes a minute to get it just how you like. It's all part of the creative process. Next, let's add some text. Go to the left menu and click on Text. Here, where you can really get creative, pick a font that's unique and matches your style or matches your home decor. Maybe a handwritten script for pantry labels or a bold, simple font for garage storage, whatever feels right. Once you've picked a font, click to add it onto your label. Now type out the words you want on your label. This could be as simple as coffee or sugar, or you might want to add a bit of charm with a line like fresh baked goodies or mom's secret snack stash. Feel free to experiment until the wording feels good to you. This is your chance to personalize. Once you've got your first label looking just right, make sure the text size fits nicely within the border. We're talking not too cramped, with a little breathing room. If it looks too big, just grab the corners of the text box and scale it down until it fits perfectly. Here's a quick tip. Keeping your labels consistent will really make your space feel organized, so once your first one is done, simply select everything, border and text, and copy it to make duplicates. Swap out the text for whatever else you need labeled: flour, pasta, crayons, cleaning supplies, you name it. That's really all there is to it. When you're finished, just hit the download button in the top right and choose your preferred file type. PDF for printing works great. Print them at home on sticker paper or regular paper, cut them out and start labeling. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel confident to start making your own beautiful labels today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps a ton. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative how-to videos like this. Thanks for watching and happy labeling.